beautiful people. Hello and welcome to Vlogmas, where I'm going to be uploading a brand new video every single day in August. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on for my new uploads. Every single day, 6 o'clock UK time, I'm going to be uploading a brand new video. I'm so excited for this. I actually cannot wait. And to launch off Vlogmas, we're going to be starting off with a huge giveaway. I have so many goodies in this sparkly bag for you guys, matches my eyeshadow and everything. Let's just get straight into how to enter and what prizes are inside. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with either an assumption or a question or a video request. You can enter as many times as you want. You can put as many comments as you want. The only part that you have to make sure you put into the comment is a way for me to contact you. If you don't leave a way for me to contact you in your comment, the next comment will get picked for the winner instead and you'll lose out on winning the prize. So make sure in every single comment that you put on, you always put in some way for me to contact you. Otherwise you're going to get skipped and you ain't going to get no prize. Okay? If you want to do some bonus entries as well, come follow me over on Instagram, Luce Stevenson. The link is down below. And come join our Facebook group, Luce's Ladies, as well, for more like behind the scenes when I share all my new videos and all that fun stuff as well. Now let's see what's inside this glittery bag. This is also an international giveaway, so it will end on Monday the 31st of August and I will pick the giveaway winner sometime in September. Bear with me because I'm working as well as doing YouTube. So yeah, it is completely international, so no matter where you are at in the world, you can enter. I've made sure that the prizes are okay to be sending across seas in case somebody does enter and win across seas. So let's see what's inside. So first of all, you get this beautiful bag from Soul Beauty, this gorgeous purple, a very, very large bag, can I say. And the main two prizes in here this month, you're actually going to see me testing these in some upcoming videos, more towards the end of the month, but still, you're still going to be seeing me testing them. We have some eyeshadow palettes from Makeup Revolution. I'm so excited to finally put this into a giveaway for you guys. So we have two of their egg palettes, which are just so cool. So we have the Eyeshadow Revolution Chick, which is the face and shadow palette. So it just looks like this, and then this is what you get inside. So you get a highlighter, I think you get like a shimmery blusher which also can be used as a highlighter, and then you also get 5 eyeshadows in it as well. I'm so excited to see you try this, whoever wins, and to see what makeup looks you do with it. The other one is the exact same. This is the flamingo one, so cute. Again, face and shadow palette, looks like this, and then the inside looks like this. So again, you get a blusher slash highlighter, another highlighter, and then again 5 eyeshadows in it as well. So excited to see you try this and to see what looks you do. And like I said, I have my own version of these that I'm going to be testing out towards the back end of Vlogmas. So make sure that you do hit subscribe, obviously, to enter the giveaway, but also because I am uploading a new video every single day in August, so it's not one to be missed. It's going to be good. Another one from Makeup Revolution, we have a Pure Pigment. This is in the shade Etiquette, I think that's how you pronounce it. So it just looks like this. It's like a brown, I think it's got like a tint of purple in it, like shimmery pigment. We also have a nail file as well. These are the ones from Superdrug that I do in quite a lot of my giveaways, to be fair. I've got quite a stash of them, especially for giveaways. This is the mini Matchbox nail files. So just look like this, just the little polka dot ones. And we also have a little bath petal, just looks like this. Super, super, super cute. And we also have, last but certainly not least, boys and girls, we have some Benefit Boyne Concealer samples. Oh, my mouth just made a funny noise. For you to try. So these just look like this. You get it in the shade 1, 2 and 4 for you to try out. Super, super excited for you because you're getting a concealer, you're getting 2 eyeshadow palettes, a pigment, nail files, a bath petal. Like, I'm so excited, and obviously as well as the gorgeous bag too. I'm so excited for this giveaway. Like I said, make sure that you hit subscribe. Make sure that when you are leaving your comments, it is a meaningful comment. So it has either a video request in it, it's got a question for me, an assumption, or even some recommendations on how to improve my channel. Like, I'm all up for constructive criticism. I'm all up for improving for you guys as well. So any kind of meaningful comment like that will be counted as an entry, as long as you've put in that comment how I can get in touch with you. If I can't get in touch with you, that comment, like I said, will get skipped, and it'll be the next comment that gets picked, and they will win and you will lose out. So make sure that you put in your comment some way for me to get in touch with you, so that you don't miss out on this amazing prize. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Like I said, I'm uploading every single day in August, so I'm super excited to go through this little journey with you, planning and filming and prepping 31 videos whilst also working 4 days a week as a trainee therapist and doing uni too. It's going to be a lot, so I really hope that you do stay along with me for my whole August journey. The videos that I have planned and have already started to film are unbelievable. I've got a full look on this makeup look. This makeup look is Makeup Revolution. The foundation is a Maybelline Super Stay foundation, Foundation Friday, which will be coming very soon as well. I am so pumped for this month, and I'm so glad that you've come and joined my little family as well. So yeah, best of luck to you all. Make sure that you enter and follow all the rules. I will put them in the description. Like I said, it does finish on I think it's Monday. Yeah, Monday the 31st of August, which I think is actually a bank holiday. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see what comments you put down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and to come follow me in my little Facebook group Luce's Ladies as well, and join our little community. I think we're nearly 500 people in there now, I think, which would be awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Love you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow 6 o'clock UK time for a brand new video. Bye guys, love yous.